Hi everybody, it's Daphne. Today I'm going to show all of you 4 simple recipes that you can cook using pantry ingredients. Let's go! Today we'll be working with one of the most versatile soup on our menu, and that is the fresh tomato. And the recipes that I'm going to show you are all very quick and easy. They should take no more than 5 minutes to whip up. And they are cooked using ingredients that you most probably already have in your kitchen pantry. You can whip up a good grilled cheese sandwich simply by getting any toast. In my case, I'm using wholemeal bread for a healthier take. Spread some butter on and then add in 2 slices of Kraft cheese if you do not have other cheese in your pantry. Next, place the sandwich in a non-stick pan. You do not need any oil at all. Simply toast it over medium heat until all the cheese has melted and the toast is nice and crusty. Next, simply heat up the tomato soup. Pour your tomato soup into the same non-stick pan if you want to cut down on the washing, and simply stir it over medium fire in about 2 minutes once the soup has boiled. If you go to restaurants and you order a bowl of tomato soup, one of the classic way is that they will serve it with a grilled cheese sandwich at the side. You're ready to enjoy your meal and tuck in. Alright, the second recipe I'm going to show you is how to use our tomato soup to make it into a lunch or dinner option, and that again using our team of pantry ingredients. I'm going to make a tomato noodle soup. Alright, I'm going to use instant noodles, but I'm not going to use any of the seasoning. I'm just going to use the noodles. Simply add in our tomato soup, add in your dried instant noodle, and add in about an equal amount of plain water, or if you have vegetable stock or chicken stock. Give it a good stir over medium fire until the noodles have softened. That should take about another 3 minutes, and honestly you're done. So simply plate up your noodles. You can add in some of the frozen vegetables that if you have in your freezer. Add in a slice of luncheon meat and maybe even a nice sunny fried egg, and you're ready to enjoy a complete meal. Alright, the next recipe I'm going to show you is when you want to whip up a meal that is healthy and also meat-free, because our tomato soup is cooked using vegetable stock. So pour in your tomato soup and add in the vegetables that you would like in your noodles. In my case, I'm putting in some cherry tomatoes and some raw broccoli. In this case, I found some nice spinach noodles. Once the vegetables are cooked through, that's when you add in your spinach noodles. Stir over medium heat, and after 3 minutes, you're ready to plate up. If you want, you can add in some dried chilies. And finally, the last recipe I'm going to show you is a meatball minestrone. You can make a good minestrone soup using maybe just 100 ml of our tomato soup. Simply dilute it with equal amount of water or vegetable stocks if you have. Add in frozen vegetables. Add in some cooked pasta. And then you can add in any meatballs of your choice. In my case, I'm using some of the frozen pork balls that I found at the supermarket. Combine everything over medium heat, give it a good stir, and after 2 minutes, you're ready to tuck in. Alright guys, today I've showed you 4 easy recipes that you can whip up at home, and all of these recipes should take you less than 5 minutes to cook. So if you like any of these videos and would like to see more, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification bell.